What are meme coins? How does it work? Meme coins are the newest, hottest cryptocurrency on the market. They're the new way to make money online. If you're wondering how these meme coins work and what all the fuss is about, then keep watching this video. We are going to explain all that to you. But before you learn about meme coins and how it works, pay attention to the big red subscription button. As soon as you click it, you will be taken to the wealthy side, the life you deserve, where you'll find hundreds of videos. These videos contain the answers to almost any question you may have. There are also daily updates, so if you want to stay tuned, remember to turn on notifications. What are meme coins? When we talk about meme coins, we are not talking about any old coins. These are special coins that have been designed as a joke. They have no intrinsic value, and they are not intended to be used as a form of currency. They are a type of ICO, or initial coin offering, in which tokens are sold to investors who believe that their value will increase. The idea behind this is that, at a later date, the investors can sell their tokens to make a profit. In many ways, meme coins are similar to stock. There are a few differences, though. Meme coins are far more susceptible to market fluctuations than stocks are. Investors are also less protected against these fluctuations, as there is no regulatory body to step in the event of an issue. Let's look at their value and volatility and compare them with other cryptocurrencies. The value and volatility. When it comes to investing in meme coins, volatility is all part of the game. This is because you are dealing with digital assets that have no intrinsic value. They are not backed by any physical commodity. This means that their value is largely determined by how many people are interested in acquiring them. During the initial coin offering phase, investors buy tokens in bulk. This can drive their price up significantly. The demand is also driven by the use of these tokens on various social media platforms. However, when the ICO phase is over, the price can drop dramatically as well. This is because there are very few people who are interested in buying these tokens once they are available for purchase outside of the ICO. The first meme coin, Dogecoin. Dogecoin was the first meme coin. It was created by two software engineers, Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. They were not planning on creating a cryptocurrency. They created this new meme coin as a joke on the other cryptocurrencies. They even used a ridiculous name to show that this currency is just a funny take on the crypto market. But who knew the thing that started as a joke would have a market cap of $88.8 billion in 2021? Palmer and Marcus created the Dogecoin cryptocurrency inspired by the Doge meme, which had been going around online. They used the same name and the same picture of the Shiba Inu dog that was viral in 2013. As soon as they released this new meme coin, a sea of visitors started pouring onto their official website of Dogecoin. Within the first 30 days, the website was visited by more than 1 million people. Not just this, many new meme coins followed Dogecoins and quickly gained popularity due to the unique concept behind this new coin type. After the initial launch, Dogecoin became famous when the Dogecoin community collectively funded $30,000 to the Jamaican bobsleigh team when they did not have the budget to compete in the 2014 Winter Olympics in Russia. This amazing gesture was reported by the mainstream media and shown to the world. But this was still not what gave Dogecoin the popularity it has today. It was actually after celebrities started endorsing it. The CEO of Tesla and the world's richest man, Elon Musk, was one of the top promoters of Dogecoin, not because he had a contract with them, but because he believed in this unique cryptocurrency. In 2021, the market cap of Dogecoin soared when Elon Musk called himself Dogefather at the Saturday Night Live skit. This was the time when Dogecoin had the highest ever market cap. However, when celebrities stopped endorsing this meme coin, its market cap fell to the ground. Today, its value is 78% lower than its highest seen. So, it means that, as long as a meme coin is talked about on social media or is endorsed by celebrities, it keeps its value. But as soon as the spotlight disappears, it comes crashing down. Some other popular meme coins. After Dogecoin came Shiba Inu, which was very much like the previous meme coin. It uses the same Shiba dog as the Dogecoin. Since then, these two meme coins have been alternating positions as being the better investment option in the meme coin market. Some other popular meme coins that have entered the mainstream recently are Dogecoin Mars, Banano, Loser Coin, and Wow Nero. Because these are currently the most popular meme coins, they have the highest market cap. Still, their value is low compared to the original cryptocurrencies. Meme coins took a hit in the middle of this year. However, their market cap is expected to increase by the end of 2022. A quick reminder, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. How do they work? Even though meme coins are much more lighthearted and less complex than the other cryptocurrencies, both work the same way. When you buy tokens during the initial coin offering phase of a meme coin, you're essentially buying a stake in the success of the coin. You hope that the value of the tokens will go up as time goes by. Once the ICO phase is over, you can exchange your tokens for real products or services. Meme coins versus other cryptocurrencies. Meme coins are decentralized like other cryptocurrencies, and these are also operated using blockchain technology. There isn't much difference between them. All the transactions, including meme coins, are stored on a digital ledger, just like for other decentralized currencies. The difference is that other digital currencies were created with a proper purpose in mind using specific strategies. On the other hand, meme coins started just as a joke. Each meme coin represents some viral idea. Apart from that, everything is similar for meme coins and other digital currencies, from their process of creation to their ways of transaction. How are meme coins created? Now, you may be thinking, how are these coins created in the first place? The answer is the same as for the other cryptocurrencies, which is through mining. Let us give you an example. The original meme coin, which was Dogecoin, can be mined by anyone. All you have to do is attempt complex algebraic formulas and mathematical calculations to win the coins as rewards. These rewards are called mining rewards and are added to your crypto balance. You can also get meme coins by buying them without actually mining the new blocks. In short, there are two ways to get meme coins. One by mining and creating them yourself, and the second by purchasing those that have already been created. You can then use them for purchases, trading, or investment purposes. Should you invest in meme coins? As a general rule, we don't recommend investing in meme coins. They are a very volatile asset and nowhere near as stable as stocks. Their value depends on how many people are interested in the viral idea behind that specific meme coin. As for other digital currencies, their price also goes down when their demand decreases. However, at some point, it spikes and increases. But with meme coins, if a meme dies, so does the people's interest in that meme coin. The hype of a meme coin has a gradual fall. And we are talking about a permanent timeline here. If people lose interest in a meme coin once, it is unlikely to gain the same hype or value again. So, because the meme coins are highly volatile, have no intrinsic value, and are not backed by any physical commodity, investing in them would be quite risky. However, if you are a daily trader who watches the market trends more often, you can invest in meme coins. Their market cap could be quite high when they are popular, so you will earn a huge profit. But here's our advice. If you are planning to invest in meme coins, you're advised to only invest as much as you are willing to lose. Unless you are a very experienced investor, you should not invest any more than your wallet can handle. Moreover, you should also only invest in the tokens that you understand and think have real value and are trending among people. How can you get meme coins? The first step toward getting meme coins is to open an account with an online broker. You can then use your account to buy meme coins from a variety of different exchanges. Remember that you can get meme coins by only exchanging other cryptocurrencies. So, first, you will have to buy some other digital currency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. When deciding which tokens to buy, pay attention to their value, their volatility, and the level of risk associated with them. We recommend that you buy a small amount of every token that is being offered by the various exchanges. This will give you a good idea of how each token works and can help you make an informed decision about which ones are worth investing in. That being said, remember that there is no such thing as a safe investment. Even the most promising tokens can go bust. So, if you are confident and an experienced investor, you should go for it. However, you should also keep an eye out for scam ICOs. These are scams in which scammers try to steal money from investors. Their significance for individual investors. Did you know around 16% of Americans use cryptocurrency for their transactions? This 16% means roughly 53 million people have invested in crypto or are using it. So, no doubt, cryptocurrency is creating investment opportunities. You should invest in at least one digital currency, and it can be meme coins too. There are also many benefits of trading in meme coins. If you want a low investment option, then meme coins are the way to go. These have the potential to earn a substantial profit if you invest the right way and in the right token. A new wave: utility meme coins. One certainty we can rely on is that meme coins are here to stay. Instead, we're seeing meme coins become more of a utility-focused currency. Take the Floki meme coin for an example. This meme coin is inspired by Elon Musk's dog, and it comes with an actual utility, which can be an NFT marketplace, a game in the metaverse, or an education program in crypto. In the end, meme coins will likely be the ones to stick around since they have entertainment value and whatever other benefits one might expect from a true cryptocurrency. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.